Wow, kijk out!
This is super huge! What a big machine! Okay, today's the day.
Welcome to Create Your Own Paradise. We are a worldschooling family of 4 traveling through Europe. Our dream is to create our own worldschooling hub. But first, we have put the travels on hold and are going to create our little paradise here in this beautiful community called Malama.
I'm so excited. No, I'm a bit excited. It's always exciting when an excavator comes because it makes work so easy, and yeah, you just have something in your head and make it a little bit bigger, cut the mountain there. This was a bit tough for the machine. You saw how he really was struggling to cut through the bedrock just with his bucket, but he managed in the end. Alright, so today we ordered some stuff that's called tout venant. It's a mix of gravel and clay, and we're going to put it on our spot to level it and to make it a bit watertight. So let's see what happens.
10 seconds later.
We're building up the retaining wall on our new formed terrace here to prevent the landslide and to make it more stable. I want to give you a travel tip. Always bring a slackline because they might be handy sometimes.
Whoa, kijk out! Now!
Later.
Oh.
We're now waiting for another load of small gravel to put on top of the drainage tube. We dug a trench next to the mountainside of our place. That's what I love about off-grid living. You never need to go to the gym. So we're on the road. As you can see, we are going to collect some railway beams. Yeah, for our caravan roof. We always like to reuse materials, recycle, upcycle. Not only because it's a bit cheaper, but also from an environmental point of view. It's nice to just upcycle materials and give them a new purpose. In every country you have these online marketplaces, of course, so you can do it via Facebook, but there's also a local one here that's called OLX. So compared to the Netherlands, it's quite poor, the supply you can find here for second-hand stuff. In the Netherlands we got a site, it's called Marktplaats, and basically you can get everything for free there. Whole kitchens, garden sheds, you name it. The challenge is always when you look on these sites for second-hand stuff in a foreign country to find the right search term. So that took a while, but now we know that these railway sleepers are called sulipas. Oh wait, I see them. I think we hit the jackpot. These are the solipas we were looking for.
Can you give me a discount if I buy a bit more?
I can make you some discount. How many you needed? 10.
Okay, we can make 30.
30.
30 euro.
Good luck. Yeah, yesterday we were really happy because we got these railway ties, railway sleepers as they were called. Got a good deal, they're really solid oak wood, so yeah, you can do a lot of cool stuff with them. But then of course, yeah, I started looking into them a little bit. We looked some YouTube movies and people said, don't use them. We're like, oh no, such a pity, you know. Yeah, I talked to someone who sells them as well in the Netherlands, and he said he can smell it, and it's the typical smell if you enter a railway station. That's probably the Creo seat, and that's some sort of tar chemical, wood protective chemical kind of stuff. And it's maybe not the best thing to put in your garden or let your kids play on. But it needs a little bit of work and a little bit of research. So yeah, it's a little bit of anticlimax. Yesterday really happy, today a little less happy. Today we're gonna make some foundations for the stands, put it to hold the construction. So we're gonna hammer these rebars in, and then we're gonna put a cement block around them, drill a hole so it fits over, and then fill it up. And so it has something to rest on. It's not resting on the ground, so it doesn't get wet. It doesn't rot that quickly. And yeah, we'll fill it up with cement so it gets a bit more heavy and it doesn't move anywhere. Yeah, the ultimate plan is to move this caravan to the other side. You'll all be part of that. But first, yeah, we're gonna prepare our car, and I want to show you something. Now I'll share you our little secret how we keep everything so organized during the travels. This is our patented crate system. So these are actually 16 crates. They all have a different label on them. So this one says toys, this one says fruit and vegetables. Well, there's some clothes in there too, but we're still organized. More clothes, kitchen stuff, food. Yeah, as we are leaving the caravan here, we also are not going to use this system anymore. So all the crates are coming out today. We've been using this for the last 2 years. And now we're just going to use it. Big moment, yeah. That's the job for today. Ta-da!
Yeah, wow.
Welcome to our chaos. All our stuff is just outside and we don't have a roof yet. But it will not take long, probably tomorrow we have one. So we put the caravan in place. We took the wheels off. Yeah, we were a little bit busy, so we didn't really document everything. So the wheels are off. The railway sleepers got a good use finally, and it already feels a lot more like a house now if you are in the caravan. It's not so wobbly anymore, so that's already a big advantage. What do we have there? It's the wood for the house! the day after, the morning after it's now. After the big build we had. Yeah, I'm a bit tired. My voice is a bit squeaky, but look behind us. Do 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 do. Yeah, we're really happy with how everything went yesterday. Yeah, in quite a short time we put up this whole roof with help from friends and friends of friends. So yeah, this is it couldn't be better actually. And there's a lot more stuff to do, of course, but yeah, the roof is up. It's got like a tarp on top, so the water doesn't hurt the wood anymore. Next steps will be to put a green roof. Yeah, and loads
super energized.
Loads of more
so
stuff.
So many things that we want to do now.
But let's look from the other side. Do 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 do. Da 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 dum. Da 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 dum. Yeah, so this is how it looks. It's a really nice spot. All our crates nicely stacked up. There's some stuff on the ground here. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. This was how we build a roof for the caravan and create our little own paradise here at Malama.
Thank you for all the people that support us, and you're super lovely, and we really appreciate all your help and subscribing and liking. So we are going to have a little spring break.
And we're gonna try something new next week. Keep an eye on us.